First, open Veo AI through the supported Google AI video generation interface. To create Hollywood-style videos, start by planning your scene like a filmmaker. Decide on the story, characters, environment, lighting, camera movement, mood, and overall cinematic style before generating your video. Now write a detailed prompt. Describe the subject and action first, then explain the location, time of day, lighting, camera movement, composition, atmosphere, and visual style. For example, you could describe a dramatic hero walking through a rain-soaked city at night, surrounded by glowing neon signs, cinematic backlighting, atmospheric fog, realistic reflections. A slow camera push-in, and a high-end feature film aesthetic. Pay close attention to camera movement. Use movements such as slow tracking shots, controlled push-ins, pull-outs, orbit shots, or wide establishing shots when they support the scene. Lighting is also important for creating a cinematic appearance. You can describe dramatic shadows, soft key lighting, warm highlights, cool background tones, atmospheric haze, or other lighting characteristics that match the mood. Next, generate the scene and carefully review the result. Check the character, environment, motion, camera movement, lighting, and overall composition. If the result looks too artificial, refine the prompt by adding more specific details about realistic textures, natural movement, lighting, and physical environments. For a longer Hollywood-style project, create multiple scenes instead of trying to generate the entire movie at once. Keep the characters, locations, costumes, color palette, and visual style consistent between scenes. After generating your clips, combine them in a video editor. Add dialogue or voiceover, background music, sound effects, transitions, and color adjustments to create a more complete cinematic experience.